How to create a projectile launcher in Roblox Studio. If you stick around to the end, I will show you what I did using the same script. Let's get right into it. First, insert a folder into replicated storage. Then, rename the folder to projectiles. Add a part by going to Home and Part. Change the part to be whatever shape. Make sure the part has can collide off and anchored on. Rename the part to Ball. Put the part into the projectiles folder we created. Go to Starter Pack and insert a tool. Rename it to whatever you want. Insert a part into the tool. Rename that part to handle, and it needs a capital H. Add a script into the tool and open it. First, we're going to get the replicated storage service. Then the RunService. Then the RunService service. Now we're going to get the projectile we created. Make sure to change ball to whatever you called the projectile. We're going to create some variables for the projectiles. We're going to make some variables for the properties of the projectile. You can change these to be whatever values you'd want. Then we're going to get the tool object with script.Parent. Now let's create a function called onProjectileHit with the parameters hit, projectile, and heartbeatConnection. Now do an if statement. Create a character variable and create a humanoid variable. Do another if statement. Make the humanoid take damage. Then outside of the if statement, do the projectile destroyed and the disconnection. Now create another function called onActivated. Create a character variable, rootPart variable, projectile variable. Set the projectile.CFrame. Set its parent. Create a connection variable and create the heartbeat event. Add a variable for the C-frame and new C-frame. Add params or add perimeters. Change the properties of the params. Change the property of the perimeters. Create the raycast with these settings.
So I did a little bit of oopsies and actually did the raycast wrong, so here's the actual raycast. Just put this in instead of the other one. My bad.
Add a hit variable. Set the projectile C-frame. Call the onProjectileHit with these parameters. Create this coroutine. Create this core routine. Make it disconnect the event and destroy the projectile. And finally, create the event activated on the tool object and connect it to the onActivated function. Now, if you play test, you can click. And it will fire the projectile. If you wanted to go faster/further, change the variables we added earlier. Now you can see what I did with it. You put all of the words really close to each other. It was really difficult to read them. Please put this at the end and plug my channel. Thank you very much.